Vantare Platinum Plus Bus Review. The Featherlight Vantare Platinum Plus is one of the most luxurious and expensive motor coaches ever built, priced at approximately $2.5 million. Crafted by Featherlight Coaches, this opulent vehicle combines advanced engineering with exquisite materials to offer an unparalleled travel experience. Manufacturer: Featherlight Coaches. Base chassis: Prevost. Engine: Series 60 DEC 515 horsepower. Price: approximately $2.5 million. Interior features: materials: Inca marble entry steps with copper inlaid glass tile risers, pearlized Italian leather ceilings, and AV cabinets. Sapel Pomele veneers from Africa on the dashboard and steering wheel. Swarovski crystal accents throughout the interior. Living area: custom Italian sofa with double electric recliners upholstered in Correggio fabric. Liquor cabinet stocked with signed crystal glasses and decanter. Custom desk with suede-lined drawers. Laptop and multifunction printer. Ceiling adorned with custom copper sculptures and Swarovski crystal lighting. Kitchen: galley. Farmhouse-style sink, hand-painted by Marzi Studios. Custom copper countertops and Sapil veneer cabinets with light core doors. Miele built-in coffee center and stainless steel dishwasher. Sub-Zero refrigerator/freezer and onyx dining table. Fully stocked with international utensils, including hand-painted Haviland Limoges place settings and handmade flatware from South Africa. Bedroom, stateroom, king-size bed with a plasma TV that lifts from the footboard. Headboard featuring mirrored posts, Schonbeck crystal, and antique bronze leaf sconces. Walls finished in European stree. Bathroom hardware imported from France with copper and crystal finishes. Shower walls crafted from onyx. Signed glass sink and matching countertop by Seattle artist Roberto Sierra. Additional amenities: private lavatory with a unique glass sink and countertop by artist Mark Ditzler. Cedar-lined closets and Malbar washer and dryer. Toe kick lighting in the hallway for nighttime illumination. Stocked with spa towels and robes. Built-in treadmill in the aft closet with a 13-inch LCD TV that disappears behind a mirror. Technical specifications: navigation: Avic N2 GPS system with real-time traffic and weather alerts. Garage: slide-out compartment capable of housing a sports car. Fuel capacity: 235 gallons.